Okay, I've been lucky to have had a journey and a profession of my choice, of my liking. So it's been an enjoyable journey for almost close to 30 years now. I've been lucky to have worked on over 400 plus projects during this 30-year long journey. Met some interesting and very very competent people during these long years. During these long years which I've spent on interacting with various project managers or working on various projects, one thing I found that every project starts off with a contract. But then despite the fact, normally most of the time the project manager actually has to interact with another contracts manager. So there is this gap between the contract manager and the project manager being two different individuals. And that's how we thought that this would be a good idea to actually club up, because a project cannot be started off without a contract. So, and since the project manager is virtually the director of the project, it's always advisable, desirable for him to be fully conversant with the contract and the implications of the contract for him to deliver a project successfully. Because otherwise he might be as good in the project part of it, but he will have to seek somebody else's help to decipher the contract, because as you know, contracts are long-winded, long-worded, very detailed. So it becomes all the more important for a project manager to understand the nuances of the contract for him to actually successfully deliver this project. So that's how, based on our experience and personally my experience of having interacted with various contract managers and project managers together, we thought that this would actually help project managers become much more proficient and successful in delivering their project. So that's how we've clubbed the two together. Ideal target audience would be a person who's actually handled some projects, because then they would have felt the pain actually of not having knowledge of contracts. They know maybe the PERT charts, they know the Gantt charts, they know Primavera, but then there's virtually almost zero in contract management, since commercial management they've not really handled. And that is the reason we feel that yes, somebody who's actually been through pain would benefit much more than a fresher. So ideal candidate would be somebody who's done 2 or 3 years of work experience on projects, whatever be the size. But then at least they've been through a project, they understand, and then they'll be able to actually polish their act and grow faster once they go through this course, which we're developing now. One of the first point, of course, is we've clubbed this together with a purpose there. The other major differentiating factors, again, like there's been a plethora of online courses now. People are confused, and most of the courses, if you noticed, are very one-way kind of thing, where they are more on delivery orientation rather than interactive courses. So we've tried to make this course totally interactive by using chatbot, which is a new technology today. Plus, also we've got global experience from hands-on projects. So we actually get case studies from projects where students are able to visualize situations, look at real-time examples, and actually learn from that, and not just theoretical examples. The third major aspect is we actually have involved very, very renowned SMEs in the development of this course. Plus, also they would be there guiding the students in terms of discussions or in terms of their inputs about various projects they've handled all through the course. So these 3 or 4 things is what we feel would actually make the course totally different from what normally is available in the online space today, even for similar subjects. They can always take a preview of this course. So they actually get to see what we are talking. They can get a feel of the course, and that would, I'm sure, make them interested in the course to take it further. So I would strongly recommend anybody who's even interested in looking at this to go through the preview and judge for themselves as to what we talk is what is available on that or not. So that is something, but one warning I would like to give anybody and everybody who's wanting to get into this course: this is not like a simple online course where you just listen for a couple of hours and do it. They better be prepared. If they really want to get the benefit of this course, they better be prepared to put in long hours of self-work, long hours of assignments, and then I'm sure they will actually come out shining. If they put in that effort, they will derive the complete benefit of what we want to give them out of this entire program. So that's something which I want them to be prepared with.